Welcome back to Math's Easy, step by step. Isn't this part 33 video? Hey, let's multiply mixed number fractions. Okay, the first step you want to take when you're multiplying with mixed fractions, and especially when you're dividing with mixed fractions, is you want to first convert into improper fractions, each of them. Convert them both into an improper fraction. Then you can multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. This becomes especially important when you're dividing with mixed numbers. It makes your life so much easier. There's a trick I will teach you. So let's get started. Let's practice these conversions if you haven't already. Okay, let's get into a quick review. Now, in other videos and other videos I've created, I go in depth in showing you how to convert a mixed number fraction into an improper fraction. But here I'm going to do a quick review. If you haven't seen those videos, please go back and watch those videos. They will clarify if this is confusing. So you take the denominator, you multiply it times the whole number. The product is an answer to a multiplication problem. Whatever product you get, you add the top part of your fraction. So 2 times 4 is 8. You add 8 plus 1 is your new numerator, or top part of your fraction, 9. The denominator of 2 stays the same. Times times. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. That's my new numerator, or top part of the fraction. The denominator of 3 stays the same. Then, when you have your improper fractions, right? Improper fractions are top heavy. You simply multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So 9 times 10 is, 2 times 3 is. All right, so if you said 9 times 10 is 90, 2 times 3 is 6, you're absolutely correct. So if you, as you can see here, I can or should try to reduce this fraction, but let me show you what happens if you forget to do that. Okay, let's take a look at this fraction, 90 over 6, or 96. What number can I divide evenly in the top and bottom, right? I know 3 will go into 9 evenly. 3 times 3 is 9. So 90 divided by 3 is 30, or 30. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I'd have 30 over 2. What's 30 divided by 2? I just want you to think about that for a second, right? So the second thing we want to do after we get our improper fraction multiplied, right? We multiplied the two fractions, 9 over 2 times 10 over 3. Once we get our improper fraction, the second thing you want to do is convert back to a mixed number. But keep in mind, what is 90 over 6 reduced down to? 30 over 2, right? Every fraction is a division problem. What's 30 divided by 2? Okay, so remember, every fraction is a division problem, right? 90 over 6 is 90 divided by 6. Probably easier if you reduced it down to 30 over 3, so you'd have 30 over 2, you'd have 30 divided by 2, right? If you reduce the fraction like we were talking about just a moment ago. So here I'm going to leave it just to show you what happens if you don't reduce the fraction. So 90 divided by 6. 6 times what number gets me closest to 9? I know 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 is larger than 9, so that won't work. 6 times 1 is 6. So 1 will work. I subtract 6 from 9, I get 3. Bring down my 0, now I have 30. 6 times what number gives me 30? Well, that's 6 times 5 gives me 30. Subtract 30 from my target of 30, I get a remainder of 0. So if you've seen my past videos, you know the number above the divisor bar is the whole number you see here, 15. You know that the remainder of 0 is the new numerator, or top part of our fraction, and the denominator 6 stays the denominator of 6 throughout the problem. So I have a mixed number now of 15 and 0 over 6. Well, anything that's 0, even in a fraction, is still 0. That leaves me with just the whole number 15. Which brings me back to reducing that fraction 90 over 6. If you reduce that fraction of 90 over 6 down to 30 over 2, what's 30 divided by 2? It's 15, right? Because 15 plus 15 equals 30, or 15 times 2 equals 30. So wanted to kind of show you what happens here. So again, 0 in your numerator, fraction no longer exists. Your answer is 15. Thank you for joining Math's Easy. Take it step by step in this part 33 video. Stick around for part 34. I'm going to go over division. I'm going to show you a few tricks, a few things that's going to make your life a lot easier. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I have helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.